Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Brain Bridge. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is answer writing program of Geography GS, and this is the 10th question. The question is, the process of desertification does not have climate boundaries. Justify with examples. This question was asked in 2020 in 150 words. So first step, as always, it is answer format. Answer format, and there are three parts. First is intro, main body, and the conclusion part. So this question, अगर हम इसको देखें, then desertification would be the theme. So in introduction part, we can describe the desertification. So what is desertification? उसकी एक definition हम यहाँ पर provide कर देंगे. Then ये जो desertification है, question is the process of desertification does not have climate boundaries. इसकी कोई climate boundary नहीं होती है. इसको हमें prove करना है by some examples. So in main body we will provide some answer. At least 3 examples should be quoted. But here I will explain or I will cover total 6 examples. जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे और जो भी आसानी से याद हो जाए, आप उसको अपने मॉडल आंसर में आप लिख सकते हैं. And then in conclusion part we will sum up the answer. So introduction. What is desertification? It is the process by which fertile land becomes desert, typically as a result of drought, deforestation, or inappropriate agriculture, does not respect climate boundaries. तो यहाँ कोई climate boundary का खेल है नहीं, ये कहीं पर भी हो सकता है. It means that it can occur in various climatic regions, not just in traditionally arid or semi-arid areas. ये कहीं पे भी हो सकता है. Now we will provide some examples. First is about Sahel region of Africa, just below the Sahara. जो सहारा डेजर्ट है, सहारा डेजर्ट के जस्ट नीचे आपको मिलेगा साहेल रीजन. So it is a semi-arid region which lies between Sahara Desert to the north and Sudanian savanna to the south. Desertification in the Sahel has been driven by combination of natural drought cycle and human activities like overgrazing, deforestation, poor agricultural practices. Despite some areas experiencing periodic rainfall, the land has degraded significantly. This is about Sahel region, Africa. Second is related to Gobi Desert, located between China and Mongolia. It is expanding southward. Southward means towards China, into areas that were once grassland. This is partly due to overgrazing by livestock and the cutting down of trees and shrubs for fuel. While the region is naturally arid, the intensification of desertification process has been exacerbated by human activities. So this is second example. Third, Australia desert, Australian rangeland. Australia, which has a variety of climates ranging from tropical to temperate, has experienced desertification in its rangeland. Overgrazing by livestock, particularly sheep and cattle, has led to degradation of land in those regions. Areas that were once productive are becoming barren and desert-like. So this is third example. Fourth one is related to USA Dust Bowl. During 1930s, the Great Plains of United States of America experienced severe desertification known as Dust Bowl. This is very famous term, Dust Bowl. कहाँ हुआ? In Great Plain of US during 1930s. And this is a desertification process. This region, which has a temperate climate, faced severe dust storms and land degradation due to combination of drought and unsustainable farming practices that removed native grass holding the soil in place. So when native grass would be removed from there, then there would be soil erosion, and due to soil erosion वहां पर ये डस्ट बाउल वाली फिनोमेना वहां देखने को मिला. Now fifth, Mediterranean region. In southern Europe, particularly Spain, has faced desertification despite having a Mediterranean climate, which is generally characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Over exploitation of water resources, deforestation, and intensive agriculture have contributed to soil degradation and desert like conditions in part of the region. Sixth is Brazilian Cerrado. Brazilian Cerrado is a tropical savanna. It has experienced desertification due to deforestation and conversion to agricultural land. This biome is rich in biodiversity and it is being degraded as forests are cleared for soybean plantation and cattle ranching, which further leads to soil erosion and loss of fertility. So these are total 6 examples. You may write any 3 example in your question. Now come to conclusion part. These examples illustrate that desertification can and does occur across different climate zones. The primary drivers are often human activities. Main चीज यहाँ क्या है? Human activities that degrade the land. आपने एक चीज कॉमन पाई होगी हर जगह, overgrazing, human activities, इस तरीके की चीजें मिली हैं. That degrade the land coupled with climatic factors that can exacerbate the process. This highlights the need for sustainable land management practices globally to combat desertification. This is the conclusion. So that is all for today's lesson. If you have any question or comments, leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe my channel Brain Bridge for more great educational content. Thank you.